All right, so in this video, we are required to factor completely 102a squared b raised to power 4. So in this case, we are not recommended to determine the prime factorization, but we can factor it completely using its prime factor as well. So the first thing is, I'll think of the least prime factor. A squared and b4 has been factored out, so we don't have any issue. So our focus is 102. So 102, we divide it by 2. And that will give us what? 51. So then 51 cannot be divided by 2. So we think of 3. 51 divided by 3 will give us what? 17. So the only factor that we can use to divide 17 is what? 17, which is equal to 1. So we can say that 102 is equal to what? 2 times 3 times what? 17. So therefore, we can completely say that 102 a raised to power 2 b raised to power 4 is the same thing as what? 2 times 3 times 17 times a raised to power 2 times b raised to power 4. So this is the complete factorization, of this particular expression. Thank you for watching this video. Don't just leave. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.